Leonardo o Leonardo?
Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
and in the Tuscan hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie. Today we are in San Gennaro, a village 20 kilometers northeast of Lucca, and we're looking for Leonardo da Vinci. According to some old stories, the village was called after San Gennaro, the patron saint of Naples, by Neapolitan settlers escaping an eruption of the Vesuvius 15 centuries ago. Also the name of the nearby village of Gragnano has a Neapolitan connection. Think of pasta di Gragnano, not to mention the wonderful, unique Gragnano sparkling red wine. And Gragnano is a small town near Naples. The Pieve, the church, goes back to the year 500, but what we see now was built 8 centuries ago, in the 13th century, except for the bell tower, which was built in 1840, so quite recently over this time scale. The pulpit was carved by a certain Maestro Filippo in 1165 and is a magnificent medieval sculpture. It is all very beautiful around here and remarkable, but what we are going to see today is a unique world-class masterpiece. This church has housed for a long time a couple of beautiful terracotta statues, and one of them has been attributed to Leonardo da Vinci by the late Professor Carlo Pedretti, the world-leading expert on Leonardo, who taught at the University of California. The statue portrays the Archangel Gabriel. The other statue, probably earlier by a different sculpture, represents a pregnant Madonna. The discussion is still going among art historians, but there are now more interesting discoveries hinting in that direction. Leonardo, as well as Botticelli and Perugino, worked under Andrea del Verrocchio, who made a bronze of David. According to the old stories, young Leonardo was the model for David's face, who has got a kind of squint. The art historian Ilaria Boncompagni, head of the antiquities in Lucca, noticed that the same squint appears in this statue, so it might be not only made by Leonardo, but could even be a self-portrait.
Is it Leonardo or Leonardo?
It's a beautiful church. And now we are in Lucca. In the church of San Franceschetto, they are exhibiting 2 paintings by Pompeo Batoni, a neoclassical painter from Lucca I love. Batoni was born in 1708 in Lucca. In his times, he was considered the best Italian painter. He specialized in portraits, especially English and Irish aristocrats visiting Rome during the Grand Tour. One is Atlanta Crinier Dine Meliege, inspired by a carving on a Greek sarcophagus kept in the Louvre. The other one is Prometheus modeling man with clay, while Minerva is providing the figure with a human soul. I hope you enjoyed a little trip around Tuscan art. It's now October and it is porcini mushrooms time, so you might like to enjoy a recipe on tagliatelle with porcini. For the full video I'm going to leave the link into the description box. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, leave a like and activate the notification bell. You just need a Google account and it's free. It helps our community enormously. Thank you very much.